This week's Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Athlete of the Week is Kael Kristufek from McKinney High School. Kael is a senior and the captain of the varsity Lions baseball team. He has earned numerous baseball awards, including the Headfirst Honor Roll Camp top throwing velocity at 95 miles per hour in Dallas. And Kael was selected for the Under Armour Baseball Factory preseason 2021 All-American team. Kael is ranked number 1 in his class with a weighted 5.278 GPA, and he scored an impressive 1540 on his SAT. He is a National AP Scholar and a National Merit Commended Scholar. Kael won first place at the Regional UIL meet in computer science programming, and he won first place as a freshman at the State UIL in computer science virtual writing. He is a founding member of the Kareem of the Crop basketball team and service organization, and he tutors students in algebra, physics, and computer science. Next year, Kael will be attending Caltech to continue his baseball career as well as his education. That's Kael Kristufek from McKinney High School, our Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Athlete of the Week.